Welcome to ReneEnergy.com, your renewable energy and sustainability platform. Welcome to another insightful video from ReneEnergy.com, where we dive deep into the future of renewable energy and sustainable transportation. In today's video, we're focusing on an exciting technology that's set to revolutionize the heavy-duty trucking industry: hydrogen fuel cell range extenders. These range extenders promise a more sustainable, efficient, and practical path to zero emissions in heavy-duty transport. So, if you're excited to learn more about how this technology is reshaping the future of transport, keep watching. As we navigate our way towards a more sustainable future, novel technologies are emerging to help drive us in the right direction. One of these innovative solutions gaining traction in the world of zero-emission vehicles is the hydrogen fuel cell range extender. Understanding hydrogen fuel cell range extenders. The hydrogen fuel cell range extender, a pivotal player in this drive towards zero-emission transportation, is a system that combines the advantages of both hydrogen fuel cell and battery technologies. It consists of a small battery pack, usually around 150 kilowatt-hours, which provides the vehicle's primary source of power, coupled with a hydrogen fuel cell system that recharges the battery on the go, effectively extending the vehicle's driving range. When the vehicle requires additional power, during long-distance travel or heavy load transport, for instance, the hydrogen fuel cell system kicks in. It generates electricity by combining stored hydrogen with oxygen from the air, a process whose only byproducts are water and heat, making it a truly clean energy source. Importance in the zero emissions landscape. This technology is particularly valuable in heavy-duty vehicles like trucks, which need substantial energy reserves for their demanding roles. Traditional battery electric vehicles, BEVs, while impressive in their emission reduction, face challenges regarding weight, range, and the significant demand they place on rare metal resources for large battery production. The hydrogen fuel cell range extender emerges as a promising solution to these issues. It enables vehicles to carry a much smaller and lighter battery pack, reducing the overall weight and demand for rare metals, while the fuel cell system ensures a long driving range that matches, or even surpasses, those of conventional diesel-powered trucks. In the broader zero-emissions landscape, hydrogen fuel cell range extenders represent a potent and flexible solution. They not only provide an immediate path towards lower emissions but also pave the way for the broader integration of hydrogen fuel cell technology, positioning us a step closer to achieving a truly sustainable transportation system. As we continue to evaluate the merits and challenges of various clean energy technologies, the hydrogen fuel cell range extender certainly stands out as a key contender in the drive towards zero-emission transport. Functioning of hydrogen fuel cell range extenders. Let's delve into the nuts and bolts of this technology and explore how hydrogen fuel cell range extenders function to give vehicles the extra push they need to cover longer distances with a smaller battery pack. Hydrogen fuel cell basics. A hydrogen fuel cell is an electrochemical cell that converts the chemical energy stored in hydrogen fuel and oxygen into electricity. The process begins when hydrogen, stored in high-pressure tanks within the vehicle, is fed into the fuel cell. Here, through a process called electrolysis, the hydrogen atoms are split into protons and electrons. The protons pass through a proton exchange membrane, while the electrons, which cannot pass through this membrane, are forced to take a different path, creating an electrical current. On the other side of the fuel cell, the protons, electrons, and oxygen combine to form water, which is released as the only byproduct of the process. In essence, a hydrogen fuel cell acts like a miniature power plant, generating electricity without combustion or any harmful emissions. Role of the range extender. In a vehicle equipped with a hydrogen fuel cell range extender, the fuel cell and battery work together to power the electric motor. During periods of lower power demand, such as city driving or short trips, the vehicle draws energy from the battery. When the battery's charge begins to run low, or during periods of increased power demand like highway driving or uphill climbs, the fuel cell kicks in. The electricity generated by the fuel cell can either directly power the vehicle's electric motor or recharge the battery, depending on the vehicle's immediate needs. This enables the vehicle to maintain optimal performance even during longer journeys, effectively extending the driving range beyond what a standalone battery could provide. Furthermore, because fuel cells can be refueled with hydrogen in a matter of minutes, much like traditional petrol or diesel vehicles, they also solve one of the major drawbacks of pure battery electric vehicles: long recharging times. In essence, the hydrogen fuel cell range extender acts as a bridge between the benefits of battery electric vehicles, low emissions, high efficiency, and those of traditional combustion vehicles, quick refueling, long range, offering a practical and efficient solution for zero-emission transportation. Benefits of hydrogen fuel cell range extenders. The synergy of battery and fuel cell technologies and hydrogen fuel cell range extenders brings with it a host of benefits that make these systems particularly appealing for heavy-duty applications. Enhanced driving range. One of the most prominent advantages is the extended driving range. Conventional battery electric vehicles are often challenged by the range anxiety problem, where drivers fear the vehicle's battery will deplete before reaching their destination or a charging station. This concern is exacerbated in heavy-duty trucks, which need substantial energy to cover long distances under heavy loads. With a hydrogen fuel cell range extender, however, this concern is significantly mitigated. The fuel cell acts as a generator within the vehicle, creating electricity on the go to recharge the battery. This results in significantly increased driving range, often matching or even exceeding the ranges of traditional combustion engine vehicles. Furthermore, hydrogen refueling stations can refill a hydrogen tank in just a few minutes, comparable to conventional petrol or diesel refueling times. This not only further eases range anxiety but also significantly reduces the vehicle's downtime, a crucial factor for commercial operations. Reduced battery size. Another key advantage of hydrogen fuel cell range extenders is the ability to operate with a smaller battery pack. A smaller battery means a lighter vehicle and a corresponding increase in payload capacity, which is particularly valuable for heavy-duty transport. Moreover, by minimizing the size of the battery, these systems also reduce the demand for rare metals such as lithium, nickel, and cobalt, which are key components of most electric vehicle batteries. This results in a twofold benefit. It alleviates the environmental and socio-economic concerns related to the mining of these materials and reduces the cost and complexity of battery production. In essence, hydrogen fuel cell range extenders offer a solution that marries the zero-emission appeal of electric vehicles with the long-range, quick refueling capabilities of traditional vehicles. They present an efficient, practical, and sustainable avenue for the decarbonization of heavy-duty transportation, making them a promising tool in the drive towards a cleaner and greener future. Impact on resource utilization. A shift to hydrogen fuel cell range extenders has significant implications for resource utilization in the automotive industry, with potential benefits extending well beyond emission reductions. Reduction in rare metal demand. A hydrogen fuel cell range extender system requires a much smaller battery pack compared to fully electric vehicles. This difference results in a significant reduction in the demand for rare metals like lithium, cobalt, and nickel that are extensively used in battery production. The global reserves of these rare metals are finite and their extraction often has significant environmental and socio-economic impacts. By decreasing the size of the battery pack, hydrogen fuel cell range extenders can alleviate these concerns, making the move towards zero-emissions vehicles more sustainable. In addition, the ability to spread the same battery capacity across more vehicles means faster CO2 abatement. For example, a 1,500 kWh battery pack that would typically be used in a single electric truck can instead be distributed across 10 trucks with hydrogen fuel cell range extenders. This tenfold increase in vehicle production per unit of rare metal resource is a significant advantage in the race towards zero emissions. Implications for sustainable vehicle production. Hydrogen for fuel cells can be produced from a variety of sources, including natural gas, biomass, and even water, through a process called electrolysis. The most sustainable method is to produce hydrogen using renewable energy sources to power the electrolysis process, creating a cycle that is virtually emission-free. By encouraging the adoption of hydrogen fuel cell technology, we also promote the development of green hydrogen production infrastructure. This not only benefits the automotive industry but can also support other sectors such as energy storage and industrial processes, contributing to a more circular and sustainable economy. Moreover, the inherent scalability of hydrogen fuel cell technology can also drive down costs, making it increasingly competitive with traditional combustion and fully electric technologies. This potential for cost reduction, coupled with the environmental advantages, makes the hydrogen fuel cell range extender a key technology for sustainable vehicle production. Practical applications. As we explore the various contexts in which hydrogen fuel cell range extenders can be utilized, it becomes evident that this technology can play a significant role in the decarbonization of heavy-duty transport and beyond. Examples in heavy-duty trucking. Hydrogen fuel cell range extenders have shown promise in heavy-duty trucking applications where the need for long-range and quick refueling is paramount. Several manufacturers are already exploring this technology for their fleets. For example, companies like Nikola Motors and Hyundai have developed prototype hydrogen fuel cell trucks that are already undergoing trials. These trucks are designed to cover long distances with quick refueling times, providing a practical zero-emissions alternative for long-haul freight transport. Potential for future applications. Beyond heavy-duty trucking, other sectors could also benefit from the application of hydrogen fuel cell range extenders. Public transportation, such as city buses, and industrial vehicles like forklifts could utilize this technology to overcome the limitations of battery electric vehicles. Additionally, there is potential for hydrogen fuel cell range extenders in marine and aviation applications where weight and refueling time are critical considerations. Challenges and solutions. While hydrogen fuel cell range extenders offer numerous advantages, like any emerging technology, they face their own set of challenges and limitations. Current limitations. One significant challenge is the current lack of hydrogen refueling infrastructure. Today, hydrogen refueling stations are few and far between, posing a hurdle to the widespread adoption of this technology. Another challenge is the high cost of green hydrogen production. While hydrogen can be produced using various methods, the most sustainable way, electrolysis powered by renewable energy, is currently more expensive than conventional hydrogen production methods. Strategies for overcoming challenges. To overcome these challenges, investment in infrastructure and technology development is crucial. Government policy and incentives can play a pivotal role here, promoting the construction of hydrogen refueling stations and supporting research and development to bring down the cost of green hydrogen. Collaboration between industry, academia, and government will be key to accelerating the development and adoption of this technology. The future of hydrogen fuel cell range extenders. Given their potential benefits and the progress already made in this field, hydrogen fuel cell range extenders are likely to play a significant role in the future of sustainable transportation. Technological developments. In terms of technology, continuous advancements in fuel cell design, efficiency, and durability are expected. Additionally, improvements in green hydrogen production and storage methods will be essential to make this technology more accessible and cost-effective. Market prospects and predictions. As the world intensifies its efforts to combat climate change, the demand for zero-emission vehicles is expected to increase. In this context, the market for hydrogen fuel cell vehicles and, more specifically, hydrogen fuel cell range extenders, is likely to witness significant growth. Conclusion. Recap and summary. To sum up, hydrogen fuel cell range extenders offer a promising solution to the challenges of decarbonizing heavy-duty transport. By combining the benefits of electric and hydrogen fuel cell technologies, these systems provide a practical, efficient, and sustainable path towards zero emissions. Looking ahead to a sustainable future. Looking ahead, the transition to sustainable transport will require a diverse mix of technologies and solutions. Hydrogen fuel cell range extenders, with their unique benefits and broad applicability, are poised to be a critical part of this mix, driving us towards a cleaner, greener, and more sustainable future. Thank you for joining us on this journey exploring hydrogen fuel cell range extenders and their potential to reshape heavy-duty transportation. At ReneEnergy.com, we believe that the path to a sustainable future involves diverse technologies and solutions, and hydrogen fuel cell range extenders will undoubtedly play a crucial role in this mix. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into renewable energy technologies, and let's move together towards a cleaner, greener, and more sustainable future. Thank you for choosing ReneEnergy.com as your go-to source for all things renewable energy and sustainability. With our YouTube channel, we explore the latest developments and innovations in the field, including hydrogen fuel cells and the use of AI and machine learning to optimize energy consumption. If you're ready to take the next step towards a cleaner, more sustainable future, visit us at ReneEnergy.com and discover the many ways we can help you transition to renewable energy. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Stay up to date on all the latest news and insights by subscribing today.